Hello, this is Phil Thomas. I've got a quick video this morning. The customer has bought this Miteq 9696 UpConverter and he wants a 70 megahertz in, KU band out. The problem is with these UpConverters, you don't necessarily know whether they're 140 megahertz IF or 70 megahertz IF, because this particular model could handle both. So this morning I just want to test it and make sure it is a 70 as the customer requests. The only problem I have is that one of our engineers has taken my spectrum analyzer that goes up to 14 gigahertz, the KU band frequency. So I've got to test this without a spectrum analyzer. Fortunately, I have an HP microwave frequency counter. In other words, that will tell me exactly what the frequency is. So the way that we're going to do this, I'm going to put a 70 megahertz input on the frequency generator. I'm going to check the output on the frequency counter, and at 70 megahertz in, I should see KU band out. After that, I'll check it out again by putting 140 megahertz in. And if everything is correct, there will be no output on the frequency counter. Okay, we're powered up now, and this UpConverter is set to output 14.125 gigahertz, which is securely in the middle of the KU band range. The frequency generator is set to output an IF signal of 140 megahertz, and it's CW. So now we'll look at the frequency counter and see what sort of output we get. You can see on the frequency counter there is nothing, so zero output. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change from 140 megahertz to 70 megahertz on the frequency generator. Press CW, 70 megahertz. And you can see it's confirmed on the frequency generator that it is 70 meg. Now let's look at the microwave counter. Okay, there it is, 14.124987, in other words 14.125. If I leave this a little bit longer, it will gradually catch up and the final output will be 14.125 gigahertz. So even without my trusted spectrum analyzer, I can still verify that this is a 70 to KU band UpConverter made by Miteq. That's all for this morning. I have to get this packed, ready for shipping.